Welcome aboard, cruisers. Thank you for joining our daily Cruise Hive news updates. We proceed today with a further 4 news stories as Carnival provides an update on Carnival Vista repairs. Popular cruise director gets a new role with the cruise line. We also have guests getting frustrated with residential ship and a Norwegian cruise line itinerary change. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Repairs to Carnival Vista are currently underway at Port Canaveral in Florida to address propulsion issues that have impacted the ship's cruising speed. The vessel is expected to return to service for its next planned voyage on September the 15th, a 6-night Eastern Caribbean cruise to Half Moon Cay, Grand Turk and Amber Cove. While repairs are progressing well, guests remain anxious about possible delays. The ship has faced similar propulsion problems since August and previously in 2016, 2019 and 2022, leading to cancelled or altered itineraries. It's all changed now at the top as Lee Mason, a popular Carnival cruise director, has been promoted to Fleet Cruise Director for Carnival Cruise Line. Mason, who has been with the company since November 2016, has worked on ships such as Carnival Vista, Carnival Spirit and Carnival Venezia. His promotion follows the departure of Chris Williams in August of this year. Mason's current contract on Carnival Venezia runs from August the 31st to January the 26th, 2025, though this may change. The Fleet Cruise Director role is relatively new, introduced in 2022, and Mason joins Chris Salazar and Erin Wiegand in this prestigious position. The launch of the Villa Vie Odyssey, a residential world cruise ship, has been delayed once again, frustrating guests waiting in Belfast. Initially set to sail in May of this year, the ship has faced numerous setbacks, including sea trial issues and operational problems at the Harland and Wolff shipyard. Guests include YouTubers Angela and Steve of Midlife Cruising have been stranded in Belfast since late May. The almost 23,500 gross ton ship is scheduled to visit some 145 countries on 7 continents and call at a total of 425 individual ports every 3.5 years. Guests have paid cabin rates that start at almost $100,000 for an inside stateroom, rising to $300,000 for a balcony stateroom and to $350,000 for a balcony suite for the privilege. Villa Vie residents announced on September the 10th it will no longer cover living expenses for waiting passengers, further prolonging the uncertainty. No new launch date has yet been confirmed. Norwegian Cruise Line has adjusted the Norwegian Prima's itinerary for the December 11th sailing from New York City. Originally scheduled to dock in Bermuda on December the 14th, the ship will now bypass the island for extended stays in Puerto Plata in Dominican Republic and Tortola in British Virgin Islands. This change is part of Norwegian Cruise Line's effort to optimize fuel efficiency and sustainability. Affected guests will receive refunds for Bermuda excursions with no action needed for Tortola adjustments. Norwegian Prima will return to New York on December the 21st. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.